Switching mobile carriers but want to keep your number? You'll need two key pieces of information: your account number and a transfer PIN. Your account number is a unique identifier for your account, usually found on your bill or in your carrier's app. The transfer PIN is a security code different from your account PIN that you'll need to provide to your new carrier to authorize the port out. To get these, contact U.S. Mobile Customer Service through their app, website, or by phone. Be prepared to verify your identity with information like the last four digits of your Social Security number or your account PIN. They may send the transfer PIN via secure email or app notification for added security. Once you have your U.S. Mobile account number and transfer PIN, provide them to your new carrier. They will initiate the porting process, which usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Make sure your U.S. Mobile account is active and in good standing, with no outstanding bills to avoid delays. Also, be aware of potential port-out scams. Never share your transfer PIN with anyone who contacts you unexpectedly. Legitimate porting requests are initiated by you through your new carrier. Consider using a port freeze option if available to temporarily lock your number from unauthorized transfers. After the port is complete, confirm that your service with U.S. Mobile has been disconnected to avoid further charges.